Welcome to Cardia Tree Talk. Cardia is the genus of trees and shrubs which are mostly found in Asia, Africa, and even Australia and South America. Genus Cardia, named after 16th century German botanist Belerius Cordus. But in India, as per Sanskrit name, its name is Shleshmantak, and Shleshatmank means it has some connectivity to our cough. So this fruit of Cardia was recommended for the treatment of cough and cold. In Hindi, it is named variously, but more familiar name in Shivaliks, especially in Jammu, is Lasuda, Dogri, or Lisoda, also called as Bhokar in Hindi, and even Gondi, or in Gujarat, also called as the Gunda, because its fruit, when ripe, has the glue-like pulp, which can be used even as glue for joining the paper or files as we use glue. So this is also known as glue cherry or glue berry. And this particular tree has other names also, as manjack. Manjack is another name, also called the bird lime tree, even pink pearl, and Indian cherry. The cherry which we see in Kashmir, that is different, Prunus cerasus, Prunus avium, that is not native to India but introduced. Our Indian cherry is Cardia, named after Valerius Cordus. It has about 300 species globally, and we will discuss some of the prominent species. And one of the prominent species which is found in Jammu and India is Cardia dichotma, in Sanskrit also known as Bahu Varnaka. Also in local names Tenti, and few people also call it as Dela. Dela is the eyeball. In Marathi it is called as Bhokar. This Cardia dichotma has 4 petals, and it has 2 stamens. Mostly flowers bloom during night time, and in the daytime they will be just closed one, and they are small in size. They are not that gaudy. But green fruits are harvested by locals, and they are prepared into pickles or even as the Lasuda Kadi. For the health benefits, they are very good appetizer, they are digestive, and they are also useful in case of constipation. And especially the fruit powder is recommended against jaundice also, the people suffering from pilia. Even bark powder is medicinal. Similar tree is another species which is also found in Jammu and elsewhere. It is called Cardia mixa. Earlier it was named as Cardia obliqua. In English name for this is Assyrian plum. In South India it is called as Neruvilli. Ripe fruit is rich in vitamins and recommended for excellent hair growth. Also for the treatment of throat problems, especially thyroid and other, for the treatment of other skin troubles. The wood is soft and lightweight and usually used for cot making, even yokes, jungle in Dogri, even for the well curves in wells, कुओं में, for making combs, gun stocks, even the wood was highly prized for making the utensils, bowls, wooden utensils from Cordia lasuda, because they do not leave any bad foul smell to the cuisines, especially the sour cuisines, sour recipes, khatta, ambal for example. So wood of the Cordia mixa is also sold in India at the rate of 1500 rupees per CFT. So Cordia mixa, Assyrian plum and Cordia dichotoma are usually known to locals under the name lasuda or Indian cherry or blue cherry, and this is useful as vegetable, as pickle, as medicine for the treatment of jaundice, digestive problems, diarrhea, dysentery, and this is adored in the Ayurveda. We have one ornamental red Sebastian tree, a red cordia, usually seen in floriculture parks and gardens, also known as giger tree or scarlet cordia. This is Cordia sebastiana, named after Key West wrecker John Giger. Its crown vase is vase shaped. Its canopy is not like our lasuda. In case of lasuda, canopy becomes umbrella shaped. Its branches are drooping, but leaves are just like our cordia, but they are a bit longer, ovate, and flowers show heterostyly, means heterostyly in case of small style and the long style type of flowers, and fruit is just like guava and pear shaped. This is a street tree and usually used in the city plantations. Another tree which also have the orange flowers, which is found basically in Mexico and Central America, that is Cordia dodecaandra, where you have 13 to 18 stamens and 11 to 18 petals. And again, this is also exhibit the heterostyly, and so it is self-incompatible. Another tree which is again found in American continent, in Trinidad, Tobago, and also in Cuba, is Cordia sulcata, also called as mucilage manjac. Particular bird which is found in America, Rina mora, Spindalis portoricensis, uses its fruit as food. Another tree from this Cordia genus is Cordia vestita, which is also seen in India, but its leaves are scabrous and flowers are yellowish white, and it is called as Baurala or Shleshatmak in Uttarakhand. Another tree which is peculiar to South India, Tamil Nadu, and it is rather critically endangered. This is Cordia diffusa. Cordia diffusa is a tree which is of a small size, and its population is under threat. It was named by Jacob in 1944 from Coimbatore, and this Cordia diffusa is threatened Cordia reported from India. There is another Cordia which is linked to the revolutionaries, and this particular Cordia, lesser known Cordia, found in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, is named as Dahiman or Dahi Palash, Cordia macleodi or macleod Cordia. This unique plant is again an endangered category, and this particular tree Why also named as dahi palash? Its leaves are simple, but one leaf let of Butea monosperma palash also resembles with its leaf. And Adivasi tribals, they call it as panki or shikari. And it is said that if you write something on its leaves, the message after some time is visible to the reader. So it was used by the revolutionaries to send secret messages. And after Britishers came to know about this secret, they also ordered for the felling of these dahiman trees or dahi palash, also known as tej sagun, panki, shikari, Cordia macleodi. So this is also the species of Lasuda, but very unique Lasuda. And not only this, it has been found that the people who are alcoholics, if they take alcohol under the tree, they will not find the intoxication. And even it is said that if its stick is carried in hand, then even the snakes will not venture close to that person. So that is the folklore. But scientifically, this particular clue was explored, and now there is a research going on where it was found that bark of this Cordia macleodi dahiman, dahi palash, has the potential for mitigating the poison of cobra, that is Naja venom. And experiment was carried with the rats and frogs, and it has been found to have a beneficial potential against the treatment of snake bite, especially cobra bite. This is the medicinal tree and also related to Lasuda. In case of another species which is found in our South India, that is Cordia diffusa, Tamil Nadu. But another species found in Africa is Cordia sinensis, and its leaves are usually eaten by wildlife, antelope, deers, and birds. But this particular endemic Cordia diffusa is known as Kobai manjack and is found in Coimbatore. Another tree which is also found in Jammu is Cordia gharaf. This is locally called as Gondi, but it has the long leaves. Its leaves are narrower and they are longer, and it's also known as saucer berry. And this is also found in Nandani Wildlife Sanctuary. And here the leaves are a bit wavy, flowers are white, and this particular tree is also found in North Africa, India, Pakistan. So we see there is another tree, threatened one, which is called as Cordia leucophylactis. The Cordia plants, they belong to the Kahazaban family, or Ratan Jot family, or Forget-me-not family, which is called as Boraginaceae. And Boraginaceae characters having the trichomes. So many leaves also have the hairy growth on the leaves. One particular Cordia found in Mexico and Texas in US is called as Mexican olive or Texas wild olive. It is also Cordia. It is Cordia boyceri. Here again the flowers are white, but they are so gaudy. It is used as ornamental because flower size is about 1 inch, 2.5 to 3 centimeter large flowers, and it flower throughout the year. It is ornamental, and its particular tortoise beetle, one particular tortoise beetle called as Physonota elutacea or wild olive tortoise beetle uses this plant as the host plant for completing its life cycle. We have another tree which is very closely related to Lasuda and found in Jammu, is called as Chamrod, but that belongs to another genus, Ericia. And how to distinguish the Cordia genus from Ericia genus? It is on the basis of calyx and fruit size and style. In case of Cardia, calyx is shortly lobed, but in Ericia, deeply lobed. Then in case of Cardia, style is twice branched, but it is not twice branched in case of Ericia. And the drupe size, fruit size is also more than 8 mm. It is about 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter. But in case of Ericia, the fruit size is less than 8 millimeter. So this way we can distinguish the two. There is another cordia which is called as Cordia subcordata. This is also found in Maharashtra in the parks and gardens under the name kerosene wood tree, sea trumpet tree, also known as island walnut, even beech cordia. Another familiar name is beech cordia or ironwood. It has the wrinkled petals, and its wood, like our lasuda, is also used for utensil making, bowl making. But this is basically found in Australia, Africa, and also in Asia, especially in India. It is planted in the gardens under the name beech cordia or island walnut. Here again the flowers are very gaudy and they are red in color.